Today we're diving into the world of wiper malware. Right now, you're watching a live demo where this malware is erasing all files and folders across every disk drive. As a final blow, it will force the system to shut down automatically, leading to a blue screen error and making it impossible to recover your files. Remember, this is for educational purposes only. In this video, we'll walk through how to create this destructive malware using Go and demonstrate how it crashes a system in real time. Let's get started. What is wiper malware? Wiper malware is a type of malicious software designed to permanently delete or destroy data on a system, rendering it unusable. If you're interested in learning more about related topics, check out my previous video on how cracked software, reverse engineering, can also pose serious risks. Okay, let's create our malware. Start by creating a file called main.go. First, we'll import the necessary packages. Next, we'll create the main function for our program. Within this function, we'll loop over all possible drive letters using their ASCII values, from A, ASCII 65, to Z, ASCII 90. For each drive that exists, we'll delete all files and folders. Finally, we'll force the system to shut down. Now, our malware is complete. This program will wipe all accessible drives and then automatically shut down the system. Now that our malware code is complete, let's compile it. For Windows, use the following command: go build -ld flags -h equals Windows GUI -o-malware.exe main.go. This will create a Windows executable named malware.exe. Okay, let's run our malware. I'm using a Windows 10 virtual machine for this demonstration. Remember to only use this in a controlled, safe environment. Never execute such code on your personal or production systems. I've opened various folders like Downloads, Windows System, and user folders such as Documents, Videos, and Pictures to ensure the malware is deleting all files and folders. Now let's run the malware. Watch closely as it starts to delete all files and folders on the virtual machine. You'll see it systematically working through various directories, erasing everything it encounters. As the malware continues to execute, it will eventually force the system to shut down automatically. This is a critical part of its destructive process. Let's observe if the system shuts down as expected. Once the system shuts down, we'll proceed to restart the virtual machine to examine the results. When the VM boots up again, you'll notice that it triggers a blue screen error. This error is a clear sign that the malware has caused significant damage to the system. To confirm the extent of the damage, we'll restart the VM once more. As you can see, the blue screen error remains even after rebooting. This persistent failure underscores just how dangerous and impactful this malware can be. Be very careful. This malware is extremely dangerous. Running or even opening this code without understanding its full impact can cause severe damage to your system. It will delete all files and folders across all drives and force a shutdown, potentially leading to irreversible data loss. Always handle malware code with caution and only use it in a controlled, safe environment. Never execute such code on your personal or production systems. Always ensure you're using these skills ethically and legally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cybersecurity insights. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave them in the comments below. Check out my previous videos on how to hack cookies, how to create a keylogger, and more. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.
I think the girls with their nails done now.